All right, welcome back, everybody. Advanced SolidWorks. Nice job on the baseball bats. Excellent. Some of you got really creative on how to do it. Some bagged the sweep and went with the revolve. That's okay. I just wanted you to practice sweep. So that's really what this class is all about, is practicing those features and skill sets that we didn't get as much time with. So this week, we go back to assemblies. So practice part modeling within an assembly. That's something that you need to kind of get the rhythm of if you haven't done a lot of it. So I'll kind of show you that a little bit. But this is going to be a team project, an entire class team project. So this will be interesting to see how this goes. If a classmate doesn't have a train car uploaded by the deadline, then you don't have to include it. So you don't have to include every car that comes in late. If your car is not done by that deadline, then you're going to suffer some points. So everybody's got to get their car done by Friday, the 18th, and then we can all pull the assembly together. Let's talk about the project. All right, starts here, the car's due here, and then the assembly is due on the 21st. That's next Monday. So you have a fair bit of time to do this. What is it? Well, let's go look. Week 3, Tuesday, here it is. You are going to design a train car, a toy train car, that will go on my track that I have provided you. So the track looks like this. All right. So a basic railroad track. You will have access to this. I will upload it for you and you can download it. You can see that it's got some connectors because we're going to put these tracks together. I did not finish the backside of the track, so you got to finish the backside of the track so the tracks can go together. Your final assembly will have to be as many tracks as necessary to get the cars on. All right, so what are the cars going to look like? That's totally up to you. Your car can have your theme. Your car has to have a hitch and a receiver, right? A receiver and a hook. I think I called it receiver and hook. Receiver and hook. So it says model a car with a theme. So it can be a Volkswagen, it can be a Ferrari, it can be a canoe, however you want to model your toy car. But it's got to go on my track. So you're going to have to figure out that track. All right. Your car will have a receiver on the back. The receiver is got a 0.25-inch diameter hole, not dial hole. I'll fix that. And a 0.75 inches from the ground, not from the track. So from the ground up to the top of this receiver is 0.75. Okay. All right. So that's what this 0.75 is all about. And then the front hook needs to be designed to drop into the receiver. So we got a 25-inch hole, and this is the basic design, right? So you want to keep your holes relatively close to the end so somebody else's hook could drop in. I didn't give you a specific number on that, but if everyone is just reasonable with leaving enough material here and you give your hook some room, then it'll drop in just fine and all this will work. If we're all 0.75 inches from ground to the top, then this will all work. And of course, center line of the track. All right, so then your car can be whatever you want your car to be. All right, I am going to put a limit to the size of your car. It can be 3 inches long and I don't know, 2 inches tall kind of thing. So I will put that in here also. All right, so phase 1 is to get your toy car done and make sure it fits on my track. and upload it. Phase 2 is to grab everybody else's car, right, off a blackboard, bring it into an assembly and lay it out on the track. All right. For extra credit. Extra credit is only found in this video. Extra credit would be you creating a turn out of the track that the cars could follow. Okay? Keep it as short as my track. We don't want to get too big. But if you make a track that's turned, that the cars could then go from the straight to the turn to the straight, then that'll be extra credit for anyone who does it. All right. I think that is everything you need. I will make sure that this track is available to you and that you have anything else you need. So let me know if there's questions, and good luck.